The NOBEL Tower, Advanced Technologies Centre, is an intelligent and energy-efficient office building which has been designed with environmental well-being in mind. The facility has been built as the first part of the Science and Technology Park oriented towards supporting innovative ideas and establishing permanent links between science and business. The building consists of 14 stories and offers a total of 7,000 square metres of cutting-edge office, laboratory and commercial space, as well as conference rooms. The leading investor in the project is the entrepreneur who, together with his family, has been operating in the broadly interpreted medical industry for many years. He inherited the ground on which the building has been constructed. It is when the idea of a family investment connected with the so far conducted business activities was born, to build an office facility intended for research and laboratory functions. A programme had been drawn up which was included in the strategy of supporting projects related to the Regional Innovation Strategy, thanks to which the development has been granted subsidies from the European Union. The building is supposed to meet the following goals: to provide workspace for tenants who specialise in the healthcare industry, to ensure top quality comfort for all users of the building, to minimise the primary energy consumption. The bionic structure of the edifice serves to underline its innovative and environmental friendly concept, concurrently preserving its harmonious coexistence with the setting. The design of the structure is key to the understanding of the architecture of the building. The external bearing walls are 70% solid. Their perforation has been reduced to a minimum, ensuring an optimal number of windows necessary to meet office space insulation standards. The walls constitute a crucial construction element of the building, and they guarantee better thermal insulation and air tightness. Additionally, the corners of the building are rounded in order to lower heat loss at the weakest points. A locally lowered reinforced concrete slab shape is an in-house developed solution. The slab is connected with the external walls in such a way that the floor plan is open and free from any internal supports at the width of 13.5 metres. The free space above the lowered parts of the slabs has been used as installation space built up with an elevated floor system. This has allowed to cut down on the technical space and to reduce the floor-to-floor height, thanks to which the building has gained an extra floor. The exposed reinforced concrete ceilings with a piping system embedded during construction have acquired an additional function. Tabs, i.e. thermally activated building structures, constitute the basic heating and cooling system of the building. Thanks to a large storage mass, tabs ensure a stable temperature inside the edifice. Ventilation has been designed as a dispersed system, and it consists of independently operating floor units. Ventilation devices draw fresh air directly from the outside and, after preliminary heat treatment, bring it into the rooms. The quantity of air supplied is determined by CO2 concentration, the level of which is continuously monitored with the use of special detectors installed in each room. This solution allows to optimize the operation of the ventilation system and reduce the resulting energy consumption to the necessary minimum. Every room is equipped with a touchscreen control panel, which allows individual climate monitoring by its users. The building was named after Alfred Nobel, a Swedish scientist known as the founder of the famous annually awarded prizes, which underlines the innovative ideas of the facility. Each of the 14 floors has been named after one of the renowned Nobel Prize winners, which is displayed in the interactive visual information system installed in the building. The Nobel Tower's facilities are adjusted to sanitary and technical requirements, which must be met by such business entities as diagnostic imaging departments and laboratories. The centre offers modern space, ideal for interdisciplinary studies and developmental work in the domain of biology, IT and medicine. Both the structure and the internal facilities of the building have been designed from ground up in such a way as to promote research activities. The reinforced slab structure and the external technical elevator shaft allow for the installation of specialised appliances constituting indispensable furnishing for laboratory tenants. The lift and a full-scale staircase enable carefree maintenance and appliance replacement work without disturbing the functioning of the building. Small companies and startups have been devised with the business incubator, a place where everyone can start and develop their business within the plug and work system. The business incubator occupies 3 stories of the Nobel Tower office building. The smallest rooms have a floor space of 15 square meters. Such space is sufficient for 1 to 2 persons to work in comfortable conditions. The incubator provides the tenants with access to extensive infrastructure, kitchenettes, conference rooms, laboratories, virtual secretary's office, as well as a data centre. On the first floor, there is a conference centre equipped with the appropriate facilities necessary for the organisation of training sessions, conferences, and various business meetings. The modular design of the hall makes it possible to extend it to a maximum capacity of up to 100 people. Thanks to portable partitions, the hall can be divided into smaller rooms. The business conference centre function is completed by a cafeteria which is located on the same floor. The Nobel Tower high-rise is the first stage of larger development comprising a science and technology park. The sound historical context of the site and the presence of a 19th century villa placed a constraint on situating the Nobel Tower further away from Dąbrowskiego Street in order to preserve the historic garden in the front part of the lot. Ultimately, the historic villa will be housing a spa and a restaurant, where the back part of the plot is intended for the construction of a second twin tower. The whole complex is planned to be a friendly and inspiring venue for work and development right in the heart of the city of Poznan.